And now part 2 of the NSR 24-hour slot car race in Naples, Italy.
Andrea, I don't want to argue with you.
In part 1, there was a dispute whether you can use 2 of the same models. Marco did not agree with Andrea's opinion and threatened to withdraw his car. Let's see what happens.
I'm not going to change my cars.
I'm sorry,
You might
guys.
withdraw the car.
I am sorry. First
We
of
have
all, wait,
situation.
please. Basically, reading the rules, what's pretty clear is the word different. That makes sense. If it was 2 race cars, your opinion was right.
My suggestion, that's the spare car. I don't think nobody cares about it. Nobody cares.
I think too.
Yeah, so let it go. Let it go.
Just word it better next year.
It's the spare car that we might not even use it. And you have 12 people here.
Please raise the hand who agree with Marco. So who want to give 2 same models? Please better range.
Keep your hands, one for each team.
2, 3,
One
4,
hand.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
If only all the countries in the world could get along like these guys, the world would be a better place.
So guys, the rule is passed. You can bring 2 the same models. Now let's verify the first and later we talk about the second. This is tech.
There are over 30 rules for every car. Each one has to be inspected by the scrutineers.
You are okay. Perfect.
The widths of the wheels on the axles are checked.
Just put a little bit smaller spacer.
Okay.
All the drivers are given a motor. The motor has to be soldered in front of the scrutineer to prevent cheating. No one gets a chance to ever touch their motor unless there is a scrutineer watching. After all the stress from tech, Team Napoli gave the best pasta meal to everybody. It was amazing.
Camilla la mangia. The figure right is still a figure.
Figa, pucciacca.
Spelo is fat boy.
Ah, ok,
Spelo. Spelo.
Vado voi.
How does it feel to be the only woman
It's good.
driver?
No, I have a problem of my manette. It's grilled. It's dead. Tout pété. I have a pièce for tomorrow.
How many years slack car race?
5.
5 years.
5 years.
You get in through your boyfriend or your father? Or
No, it's friends.
friends.
Friends, yes.
So you like it a lot.
Yes.
Well, good luck. Okay. It's good to see young kids here.
It's people come from France, in Savoie. I come from Savoie too, and they are faster than us.
You're right.
It's always that.
How long have they been racing? Since they're little?
11 years.
Dagli uno dei cerchi quelli là di MB.
This is Antonio Alberti, an old friend of Salvatore Noviello, Andrea's father, and founder of NSR.
Did you know Andre's father?
Yes, Salvatore is. Me and Salvatore run with cars when we are, say, 25 years old. I am 60 years old.
Yeah.
Is 35 years. We raced together in hill climb when we was young, and then with slot cars. Salvatore won with the Fiat 127 Gruppo 2, the hill climb trophy of southern Italy. He was fast with cars and with the slot cars.
Yeah. Were you there when he started the company?
He started the company in his home, and after more than 10 years, his dream possible to make NSR the biggest company. Salvatore was a great person.
He made it to Ferrari and slot cars.
Yes, he met all made in Italy.
It's incredible what Andre did here.
Yes, this is the first for plastic model. where drivers all over the world is coming to run all together.
It's great meeting all you guys.
Bye.
New York City? I'm from New York City.
From New York City to Casoria in Naples. I don't know why. Just the slot cars.
Oh, I'm gonna go to Imola.
Yeah, I know. But the better race is here.
Today is race day. All the cars are custom painted by the teams, some with their national colors. Each team is allowed 2 cars for the entire race. This is our car.
It's race day today, and everybody's excited, and we're excited. If we're not ready now, we're not going to be, so we're ready to go as we can be. We put together our racing schedule as to who's driving, who's corner marshalling, and who's pitting. We're not exactly the fastest guys in the field, but we're not quite the slowest either. So I'm excited. I think that our team is pretty good. We certainly have a lot of fun.
Okay, fellow Americans, how you doing?
We are good.
You all ready?
We're having a health strategy.
So you guys gonna sleep, or what are you gonna do? You gonna stay up?
I don't know. We just got proposed by the Danish guys to sleep with them.
They have big bets.
They have a spooning schedule over there too.
This is qualifying. Each team picks one of their drivers to get their best lap time. You get 4 laps to get your quickest lap. Electric Dreams is having some difficulty. Is it the car? Is it the controller? Marco's nervous. Not looking good for Electric Dreams.
There's a problem.
La luce van clac 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 clac.
Hernandez explains that the car was bouncing up and down. Now it's our turn.
3, 2, 1.
Yeah, Bob. Oh, yeah. That won't happen again. Robert only has 1 more lap to get his time. Nice five. There you go. You pulled it out of the air. Coming up, 2 of the greatest drivers in the world. First, Augusto Cristalino.
9:26.
Augusto gets provisional pole with 8.91. Now it's Daniela's turn. Can he beat Augusto's 8.91?
Watch part 3 and see if Daniela beats Augusto's 8.91 for the pole and the dramatic start of the 24-hour vintage Le Mans race. Please subscribe so we can continue to make these quality films. Thank you.